How to add custom funds to Steam Wallet. So let's get started. Firstly, go to any web browser and log into your Steam account. Once logged in, simply click on your profile name at the top right corner of your screen, then a drop down menu will appear. Now, from the drop down menu, tap on the account details and you'll be navigated to the account details page. Inside account details, you can see your fund in USD dollars. Now you can also see add a payment method option available there. Simply tap on it. Now enter your any payment method option available here and you can just make it as custom funds to Steam wallet. So basically adding custom funds to your Steam wallet is not officially supported by Steam as it only allows predefined amounts, but this is just a workaround that you can use to add a specific amount of funds depending on your needs. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.